Go.
Hey guys, subscribe to Just Be Africa.
Umeongea vizuri, anza kuosha vyombo.
So we start with the cups because they are not very oily.
Nakwambia leo wewe ndio unafanya hii video.
Yeah?
Sasa endelea, wewe ndio unafanya video leo. Na naipost saa hii. Haiko clear. So guys, she's starting with the cups. She's starting with the cups because they are not oily, so she cannot mix the cups and the plates. Yeah. So we are in Africa. She's an African girl. The reason why I told you African kids are the strongest of them all. Huwezi pata kamzungu kanaosha vyombo hii design. It only happens in Africa. Please like my video and share to your friends. Share our link. That's the utensil rack there. We have the utensil made of wood. Then we have just two containers. One is a sufuria. Here in Kenya we call it a sufuria, in Africa. Then with a bucket. So she's using a bucket and a pot or a sufuria. Subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, like, and then don't forget to comment on our channel.
So after that, you rinse the cups in clean water. And you rinse them well. Then arrange them neatly here.
What's the name of that structure?
I call it wooden stand.
She calls it a wooden stand.
Make sure you handle the glasses carefully.
Why should they handle the glasses carefully?
To avoid breaking them.
Allah.
Or to avoid accidents. then you rinse them. And you arrange them in order. So we move to this kettle.
Shosha amepita kwa video yako. Si ndio? Tenda. Amo nitaka kunini?
So after that you rinse them. You again rinse the kettle very well. I was saying that you should handle these glasses carefully because easy glasses, they are rarely found in African homes or in the village. So you should maintain them. In case of any stubborn stain, just chota tu maji na usok, utakuja uoshe baadaye. Usianike hivyo vyombo kama ni chafu.
Situharibie video tafadhali. Nadhani sitafika. Kila mtu leo ataisha jambo lazima ndamchukua. Hatuna update leo, naweza kosa kuenda. Tujatumiwa nini? Sisi huwa tunatumiwa kwanza online. Tunaenda.
maji chafu, bado utakuwa unaongeza germs kwa hizo vyombo. Najua watu wengi mnajiuliza mbona nimeosha na hii plate. This plate is not an oily plate, so naweza kumix. Lakini kama ni oily, ni vibaya sana mtu kumix. So, we come to a sufuria. This sufuria is rarely found in village homes, so we should maintain it. Tunaona most sufuria are black here outside. So, you maintain its color by scrubbing it very, very hard to remove these stains. Wait and see. We use this scrubber.
Tolao mama kana mara mando sana. Lupe hari mandazi mbili. Nani ameweka mandazi? Ndio mpe. Kunywa chai.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you to Just Be Africa. Kama tu subscribe na tuma hadi Facebook.
Na ukiona hii video, share to your friends so that they can too subscribe. See the way it's clean.
That's perfect.
I can see myself.
Oh.
Wow. So I'm done washing the utensils. Then you wash the containers carefully.
Saa yako usiende kuongea. Saa yako usiende kuongea. Nimesema kila mtu. Haya.
Don't forget to wash the soap dish.
Oh, it's his birthday today. So, hiyo maji tusimwage.
Yes. Mimi nimwagike maji.
Haya. No, see, not. Ai, sasa ujaoga.
So we don't pour the water because it's our friend's birthday.
A cousin. Mungu nisamehe.
So I'm done washing. watching. Please
That's
share,
Sufuria.
subscribe, and like. Thank you.